I got this clock for $4 from the second-hand store. I wasn't interested in the beginning, but then when I saw this, these are glass chambers, and inside there are 4 different color liquids with air, and each one has a tag that shows the temperature. For example, this one is 18 degrees, 20, hard to read, 22, 24, and the last one is 26. So with what I understand, I think the highest is the one that indicates the temperature. Of course, we have a thermometer here as well, or humidity sensor maybe. So according to this, now it's 24 degrees or around that. And I just found out that it looks like it's brand new, because we still have this plastic thing behind the battery. Let's see, let's pull it and see if the battery is still working. Yeah, it's working, so it's brand new, never been used. So let's test the temperature. So I will put it in the fridge, leave it for a while, and come back. So I had it in the fridge for about an hour. You can tell from the time since the last clip, but I don't think they are moved. It's very cold, but the one in the top shows 26 degrees. So maybe it's the opposite. The one on the bottom is the reading temperature. So now I need to heat it up and see if the orientation, the order will change. See you in a bit. Okay, let's put it next to a heat source and see if this is gonna change anything. Right now we have one at the bottom. I'm not sure what's the temperature written there, and 4 up. Let's see if this is gonna change. I can see this one started falling down. So that one The blue one is 24 degrees and the red one is 26. The green is 20 and the orange is 22. So this one probably 19 or something. Okay, so everything went down. Everything went down. So how do you read the temperature? If this one goes up, it means it's 26. And if this goes up, it means it's 24. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. There's a closer look.